Hi everyone, welcome back to another What Will I Get? Today I am opening up a Train On First Partner Pack. It's got a giant card in here and a couple of booster packs. Have never opened one of these before. Excited to see what's in here. Let's get into it. This will be my first. Oh, there's a couple of giant cards in here. First giant card I'll actually have. So, oh, there's three. That one's a bit damaged on there. Let's see the first one. Ah, Piplup. Okay, shiny Pikachu 25 anniversary stamp. Ah, Chimchar. Cheap Monkey. And the last one, a Turtwig. Okay, nothing too special, but they're pretty cool. Just giant cards. Right, the two packs. Ooh, Sun and Moon and Chill and Rain. That's pretty good. Oh, we haven't opened these one before. Excited to see if I pull anything decent out of these. Okay, I have no idea about card tricks. So let's just go. Oh, that's a pretty good one. Big hollow. Oh, Umbreon EGX. That's pretty damn good. I'll have to see what that one's worth, but I like the reflection of that. Okay. That's pretty good. Let's sleeve that up. Nice and shiny. Okay, let's go into Chilling Rain. Let's see what's... These packets open up so easily. Alright, Reap, Brookie, Golett, Reverse Hollow Subble, oh, Metagross, V. Okay. Code. Well, that's pretty good too. Don't mind that. Okay, definitely have to look that one up. I like that one. They're my two hits. Awesome, thanks for watching.